Hi guys. So today, this and this. Right here. For your phone. So here. So we have to this. Satisfying. Next up is pull open the lid. Hold on. Did it? You got 2 gummies. Shoot. Now time for the Baja Blast. I feel like I haven't talked about it. Alright, that's enough. Thanks guys. Bye.